Hello, this is Alarms for Anyone installation video. We're going to show you how to install a carbon monoxide detector for the Interlogix system. And as you can see on the back, I have a little arrow with up that says that this is the up direction. You would just slide this back plate off like that. It comes right off. And then you can now mount it onto the wall. I'm going to place it right here. You can see it's real easy. There's two places to put the screws. Go ahead and put your screw in. Now you can actually mount a carbon monoxide detector just about anywhere. The density of carbon monoxide gas is about the same as air, and so some people say that carbon monoxide gas is heavier, but it's really not. So you can mount it up higher or lower. It's not good to mount it close to any outside vents that vent to the outside. It's better if it's closer to vents where you would have your furnace system or an exhaust type of a system in your house. Now I'm going to, the reading of this is right side up, and so I'll just put this into place and slide it right down, and your carbon monoxide detector is installed.